Tired of losing your Apple TV, remote, or dealing with its finicky touchpad? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to ditch that frustration and turn your Android phone or tablet into a fully functional Apple TV remote. First, head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Apple TV Remote. There are several apps that can do this. But for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the official Apple TV Remote app, as it offers the most reliable and seamless experience. Look for the app with the Apple logo, usually listed as Apple Inc., and tap Install once it's downloaded. Tap Open. Now, make sure your Android device and your Apple TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The app will automatically scan for nearby Apple TVs. Select your Apple TV from the list that appears. Your Apple TV will now display a 4-digit verification code. Look back at your Android device. Enter the 4-digit code displayed on your TV screen into the app on your Android device and tap Pair. And that's it. You can now use your Android device as a remote to navigate menus, control playback, search for content, and even use Siri. Enjoy a more convenient and modern way to control your Apple TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips and tricks.